Hello, fellow Chopperoos, the Big Chopperoo and Safety Dan here.
Hey.
And on today's episode, I'm going to show you how to make this tiny little step stool out of a 2x12 with nothing but hand tools.
What? No power tools?
Nope, no power tools, just hand tools.
Well, I guess you don't need me.
Well, at any rate, let's start the show and let's get going on this build. So that's my video for making the hand tool only step stool. Now in this video I actually only showed you one procedure for doing a couple of the steps, and really there's like 2 or 3 ways to do it. I'm thinking about doing an extended longer version with full audio in it for people that are truly serious about learning this. This is a class that I actually teach. Now a couple of things. In the video I mentioned that I used nails and glue to hold the stretcher in, but actually I wound up using dowels on it because in the classroom I need to be able to disassemble this. Also too, that if you cut and put your stretchers through the top, if they're a little loose, well, you can use a wedge. First what you'll do is you'll make a kerf cut on the tenon and then you can drive a wedge in. But the direction of that kerf cut and the wedge is important. Take a look. You want the wedge going perpendicular to the grain of the seat. This way when the wedge goes in and expands, it'll stay nice and tight. If you happen to, though, put the wedge in going with the grain of the seat, as you drive that wedge in, it can actually split the whole seat apart. So a couple of things to keep in mind if you're going to build this. Oh, you're back.
Yeah, I forgot my beer.
You know, Safety, I'm starting to wonder, what is it that you actually do around here? I mean, do I even need you on the show?
Oh, I think we all know that you need me around here.
Well, if you liked this show today, please subscribe, hit the like button, and leave your comments below. And you know, Safety, now that you're back, there's one more thing I gotta do. It's time for me to dance.
Nope, I'm out of here again.